Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Izzy here. How are you guys doing today? Thank you for taking your time to watch my video. Today I'm going to be doing a brow tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I draw my brow. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. And if this is your first time on my channel, if this is your first time watching any of my videos, welcome. Nice to meet you. I hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. So let's get right into the video.
First off, you're probably wondering, what is she doing with Eco Styler Gel? Well, I use Eco Styler Gel on my eyebrows to keep them in place. I know there's an actual product for that, but I don't have it, and I have Eco Styler in the house here, so that's what I use. I apply it to the back of my hand, and I just use my spoolie to take a bit and brush my eyebrows upwards. What this does is that it helps to keep them in place, so we don't have any flyaway hairs. So after I'm done brushing my eyebrows with the gel, I like to allow it to dry for a bit. If you don't allow it to dry, when you try to use your eyebrow pencil on your eyebrows, nothing is gonna show up. So the eyebrow pencil I usually use, I get them from any beauty supply store, but the one I'm going to be using in this video is from eBay, and it's just as good as any one I've gotten from the beauty supply store. So what I'm going to be doing is that I take my eyebrow pencil and I draw a line under my eyebrow. So basically I'm going to be following the shape of my eyebrow. As you can see, I didn't start from the beginning of the eyebrows to draw. I started almost halfway, and this helps you get that natural looking eyebrows. We don't want our eyebrows looking like boxes, or should I say rectangles. So when you're doing your eyebrows, it's always good to have your eyebrows sharpened. I shapen my eyebrows myself. Well, I just use tweezers and pluck out the hairs that are not in line. Guys, how do you shape your eyebrows? Do you shape your eyebrows by yourself, or do you go to the hair salons to get your eyebrows sharpened or something? Because it's usually £5 to get your eyebrows sharpened, but I can't be spending £5 on something I can do by myself. I've tried to use like the eyebrow razor to shape my eyebrows, and that did not go well. I shaved up part of my eyebrows. So after drawing along the bottom part of my eyebrows, I do the exact same thing to the top part, also following the shape of my eyebrows. So I go along until I get to the very last strand of my eyebrows. I don't like anything extra. I like my eyebrows looking as natural as possible, so I stop where my eyebrow hair stop. After that, I take my spoolie again and brush my hairs upwards. What this does is that it shows you the empty spaces in your eyebrows. Then I take my eyebrow pencil and fill up those empty spaces. Then I take my spoolie and brush the hairs back in the right direction. As you can see, the line I drew at the top of the eyebrow is no longer visible again. So I take my eyebrow pencil and redraw the line. Guys, when you're doing this, you want to be as light as possible. Please don't go and be scrubbing the eyebrow pencil on your eyebrows. So we just want to make our eyebrows look as natural as possible, okay? So now the next thing we're going to be doing is to conceal the top and bottom part of your eyebrows. Guys, for this you want to take a brush with a very thin tip. The spoolie I was using had a brush at the end, but it wasn't thin enough, so I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn for the bottom part of my eyebrows. What I do is that I press out a bit of product and just use my brush to collect very little product from it. Some people like to put this on their hands and take it from their hands, but whenever I try to do that, I just end up getting concealer everywhere. When I'm concealing my eyebrows, I like to first apply the concealer a little bit farther away from my eyebrows, then I build my way upwards gradually. What this does is that it helps me be more in control, and I'm able to avoid mistakes. So you might even have a little bit too much product on the brush, and when you just go on and apply it close to the eyebrows, you then mess up the whole eyebrow. So I apply it a little bit away, then I just work my way gradually to the eyebrows. When doing this, you want to take your time, don't rush. Perfection is not easy. If you're the type that has like shaky hands, maybe it'll help if you get like a table to rest your elbow on so you avoid mistakes. As I'm applying the concealer, I like to thin out the ends of my eyebrows. I like the end of my eyebrow to be looking really sharp, you know, so when they see me from 5 miles away, they'll be seeing how sharp it is. Yeah, I feel like it just looks nicer. For the top part of my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my foundation instead of my concealer. Trust me, this helps you when blending. It makes blending easier for you. So I'm going to be applying the foundation just like I applied the concealer at the bottom part of my eyebrows. That is, take a small amount of product, then apply a bit further away from the eyebrow, then walk your way towards the eyebrow. So we're walking our way downwards this time. Guys, you see the way I'm holding my brush here? It's always easier to hold the brush closer to the tip rather than to the end part of the brush. This helps you to have more control over whatever you're doing with the brush. So here I'm trying to thin out the eyebrows even more. I told you I like my eyebrows sharp. So I'm trying to thin out the eyebrow and clean up like the ends also. So as you can see, I still have a bit of gap that I need to conceal, and I don't have enough foundation on the brush. I'm just gonna add a little bit more foundation and conceal that part also. Of course Isabel added too much product to the brush. As you can see, this is why I like to start a bit further away from the eyebrows to avoid mistakes like this. So if I just went boom straight to the eyebrows, that would have ruined the whole thing. So now I'm just gonna work my way downwards again. Now I'm just gonna take the brush and use the leftover concealer and foundation on the brush and make hair-like strokes at the beginning of the eyebrows. So you know, we want it natural. This here makes your eyebrows even look more natural. Then now I go in with my spoolie again and brush out my eyebrows. I'm trying to get rid of any harsh lines the concealer might have created. After that, I then use my blending brush and just blend out the top and bottom of my eyebrows.
Alright, so guys, I am done with the eyebrows. This is the finished look. So it depends. If you're planning on doing a full face of makeup, it's fine to leave your face like this, then apply your foundation. It's gonna cover it up. But if you're just planning on doing your eyebrows and maybe putting out some cute lashes and just going out like that, you can take a wipe and like clean up the edges if you feel like there's too much concealer. Guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned how to slay your eyebrows. I hope this video was very helpful. If this video was very helpful, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and also if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.